Ever get your nails done and then ruin them 5 minutes later because they're not fully dry? I'm Hustle with WTI, and I'm here to tell you all I love about this Seche Vite top coat. This thing dries so fast, you guys. Like within minutes, my nails are completely set and I don't even have to worry about smudging them right after. It also gives me this beautiful high shine glossy finish, and my nails look like I just left the salon every time I use it. It smooths everything out and makes any polish look more professional, and what I really like about it is that it helps lock in everything so my manicure lasts longer without chipping, and it's honestly one of those products that saves my time and makes a huge difference. And of course, I can do it all from home without going to the salon. So it's super reliable every single time. It only takes 2 steps. First, my regular nail polish coat, and then this top coat to dry my nail as fast as possible. And that's why I love it, and that's my point of view.